In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates on Canva. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your design skills, this guide will make the process effortless. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started with using Canva's templates to create stunning designs in just a few easy steps. First, you want to open your browser and go to canva.com. Once there, locate the login button situated on the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in using your credentials. If you prefer, you can sign in using Google or Facebook, or simply with your email. This flexibility makes it straightforward and quick to access your Canva account from practically anywhere. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. Here you'll find a search bar positioned prominently at the top. This is your gateway to finding the right design type. Type in what kind of project you're looking to create, whether it's a presentation, poster, social media post, or something else. This is an incredibly powerful tool that saves time by narrowing down your search to relevant templates. After entering your desired design type into the search bar, make sure to select Templates. This option allows you to view the multitude of ready-to-use templates Canva offers for your specific needs. Now you can browse through the options available under the design type you entered. See a template that catches your eye? Click on one of the choices to view its details. If you're not quite satisfied with the first option, don't worry. You can continue to scroll through the extensive library of available templates. Remember, Canva updates its collection frequently, so you're likely to encounter fresh and trending designs. Want to take a closer look at a template? Simply hover your mouse over it and click on the More icon that appears. This will give you the choice to preview the template before making any commitments. Selecting Preview this template lets you examine its contents more closely and decide if it's the right fit for your project. Once you find a template you love, selecting Customize this template is your next step. You'll be led straight into the Canva editor, where you can start making the design truly yours. The editor is user-friendly, filled with intuitive tools to adjust text, images, colors, and more, granting you full creative control. In just these few steps, you've successfully navigated through Canva's vast selection of templates and begun personalizing one to suit your project. Using templates is a smart way to save time while achieving professional-looking results, so go ahead, explore, customize, and bring your creative visions to life with ease on Canva.